What I ate for dinner last week, plant-based edition. So, starting off with Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I had black bean burgers. They were baked black bean burgers, baked, not fried. This is the first time I've actually tried them baked. And I did them a Salisbury steak style with peppers, onions, mushrooms, and gravy, along with sweet potatoes. And this is a vegan, plant-based, dairy-free, also gluten-free macaroni and cheese that I had with it. I believe Jovial is the brand that makes that dairy-free and also gluten-free mac. Then just for dessert, I had a single-serve sweet potato brownie with a coconut sugar creme brulee topping. Oh my God. You guys have no idea how good this was. This literally was the best brownie I've ever had in my entire life, and I'm 42 years old. I will eventually upload that recipe. For Wednesday and Thursday, I had a eggplant lasagna soup. Very delicious, very hearty. I have no complaints. On Friday, I made jumbo from scratch, gluten-free pierogies with some sauerkraut and grilled red onion. For Saturday, I had homemade garden burgers. Here's the ending result to my delicious plant-based, completely vegan dinner tonight. I just have here my finished chickpea and mushroom burger. They came out really good. And I just added a little bit of sliced cucumbers on the side, and this just a little bit of homemade hummus I had, and I added one of the freshly fried tortillas and just broke them up into some chips and just finishing off that hummus. Got me some sliced tomato, avo, plant-based vegan mayo, mustard, ketchup. The only thing I'm gonna go ahead and I have a slice of plant-based cheese on here. Only thing I'm gonna add is slice up some red onion, and I am good to go. Dinner for tonight, I made some cauliflower wings with some sweet potato fries and a little bit of a buffalo ranch that I stirred together. And it is so good, so good.